dual fuel and built-in oven interior cleaning and care. Your dual fuel range top or built-in oven is resistant to most stains, but not totally impervious to damage. Salt and some cooking liquids can pit or stain the surface, so remove these types of spills immediately. But for the most part, an easy-to-use self-clean mode will do the trick and keep your equipment nice and clean. Here's how it works. First, pull out the broiler pan and any other utensils stored inside. Also, remove any moist food or grease from spillovers before self-cleaning. Finally, remove all oven racks and rack guides. They will discolor if left in the oven during this mode. Then, for built-in ovens, follow these steps. Turn desired oven on. Select Self-Clean, then press Enter. Finally, select Enter one more time. The oven will automatically set for 4 hours. 3 hours for the self-clean with another hour for cool down. The oven door will remain locked until the oven has cooled below 300 degrees. When finished cleaning, turn the desired oven off. Instructions for dual fuel units are much the same, but you will be turning the oven selector knobs instead of using the touchpad. Please note that it's normal to see a brief flame up depending on the amount and content of the soil. When the equipment has fully cooled, you may need to remove baked-on foods from the oven window. Here, your best bet is a mild multi-surface spray cleaner, and use a razor blade to gently lift any pesky food remnants. The oven racks and rack guides can be removed from the oven for cleaning. We recommend using soap and hot water or using a mild abrasive cleaner. Cleaning the racks may require a little elbow grease. After the self-clean mode is finished and the oven cavity cools, use a damp sponge or paper towel to wipe up any ash residue. Do not use oven cleaners or anything abrasive. The self-clean mode makes this kind of cleaning unnecessary. Never wipe down a warm or hot porcelain surface, for this can cause chipping or tiny hair-like lines. The oven gasket doesn't need hand cleaning. It's maintained by the self-clean mode. Do not rub, puncture, or remove from the interior, for this may compromise the door seal. You also need to clean the top and bottom of your broiler pan. Here's a great trick to keep this heavy-use pan spotless. While slightly warm, place the broiler top in the sink and lay dish towels on top. Pour very hot water on the towels and allow the steam to soften the cooked-on residue. Then, clean with hot water and a mild detergent. For the broiler pan bottom, first pour any grease into a disposable can. When the pan is cool, wash in hot water and use mild detergent. Allow the bake stone to cool completely before removing from oven. Then scrape off excessive food and wipe down with a wet cloth. Do not soak or immerse the bake stone in water, and do not use soap or detergent. The ceramic stone could absorb the taste and transmit those flavors to the food.